In August this year, Kenya flagged off its first shipment of 2,000 barrels of olive oil exports as the country sought to test the appetite of its crude deposits on the international market. The oil was bought by a UK-based company, China Chem, at a cost of 1.2 billion shillings. Since then, Tullow Oil has been tracking more than 2,000 barrels of oil daily to the Kipevu storage facility with the aim of selling the consignment early next year.
The anticipation is that we get to final investment decision the back end of next year, and then we have a 36-month construction period, both the upstream and the midstream, which eventually then takes you to 2023, when you have the first crude oil in Lamu ready for export.
Ministry of Petroleum Strategic Advisor Brian Muriuki says the country is receiving various offers and bids from potential buyers, debunking earlier fears that Kenyan oil was not attracting many buyers due to its waxy nature. In June this year, Kenya signed the Heads of Terms Agreement with Tullow Oil, Total and Africa Oil, which spells out the obligations of each party.
The three partners, Tullow, Africa Oil, Total, and the government, when exercising its back-end rights, will provide funding for that portion of the project. So roughly circa $2 billion will be equity financed. People reach into their own pockets and provide the funding for the upstream project.
However, the government remains tight-lipped on the profit-sharing mechanism among the four parties, saying the deal remains confidential. Tullow Oil further says construction of the 800-kilometer heated oil pipeline is on course, and the company has identified financiers for the 300 billion shillings pipeline.
Land acquisition itself is a motive, and indeed, yes, and this is why it is important. If there are delays to the land acquisition, there will be delays to this project. It is that simple.
Kenya, which discovered oil in the year 2012 with a proven reserve of 560 million barrels of crude oil, plans to start commercial oil production in 3 years' time and use the Lamu port to ship out the commodity to the international market.